Have you ever peered into the depths of a freshly dug hole and pondered, what lies beneath? The answer is a fascinating journey into the very heart of our planet. Welcome, inquisitive minds, to a tour of the Earth's layered interior. We start with the most familiar layer, the crust. This is the Earth's skin, the part we walk, build, and live on. It's the thinnest layer, ranging from about 3 to 45 miles in thickness. Made up primarily of light silicates, the crust is divided into two types, oceanic and continental. Oceanic crust is denser but thinner, while continental crust is less dense but much thicker. Remember, this is the outermost layer, the one that interacts with the atmosphere and biosphere. Moving inward, we encounter the mantle. This vast layer extends nearly 1,800 miles down. Composed mostly of silicate rocks richer in iron and magnesium, the mantle is not a static, rigid shell, but a dynamic, flowing one. It's in the upper part of the mantle where the heat and pressure generate slow-moving currents of molten rock, driving the movement of tectonic plates at the surface. Hence, the mantle is the engine room of Earth's geology, the birthplace of earthquakes and volcanoes. Descend further and we reach the outer core. This layer, about 1,300 miles thick, is predominantly composed of molten iron and nickel. This sea of swirling, electrically conductive liquid generates Earth's magnetic field, a vital shield that protects us from harmful solar radiation. The outer core is a guardian, a powerful force field that keeps us safe. Our journey ends in the inner core. Here, despite the intense heat, immense pressure keeps this layer solid. Composed primarily of iron, the inner core is a sphere with a radius of around 750 miles. It's as hot as the surface of the sun, a crucible of unimaginable extremes. To recap, the Earth is not a uniform sphere but a complex structure of layers. The crust, our living space, is a thin shell of light silicates. The mantle, a deeper and thicker layer, is the dynamic engine room of Earth's geology. The outer core, a molten sea of iron and nickel, generates our protective magnetic field. And finally, the inner core, a solid ball of iron under extreme pressure and heat, sits at the heart of it all. So next time when you step onto the ground, remember, beneath your feet lie miles of dynamic, complex layers that make our planet the unique, life-sustaining world it is. Each layer plays a crucial role in shaping not just the Earth, but life upon it. We are all, in a very real sense, children of the Earth's layers.